Hello, I'm going to talk about positive input ventilation, PIV, a condensation and mould solution. With homes becoming more insulated and airtight, condensation and mould have become more of an issue. Our positive pressure systems, or PPS, reduces humidity within the home by continuously supplying dry, filtered, tempered air into a property. It helps prevent moisture from settling on cold surfaces, which could lead to condensation and mould growth. Our PPS units are designed to operate quietly, ensuring a peaceful indoor environment while improving air quality. Within 48 hours, you will notice a difference in both indoor air quality and condensation levels. For more information, please go to our website.